Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Okta Developer account step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL developer.okta.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Okta Developer site. Look for the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in the required details, including your first name and last name. Next, enter a valid email address you want to use for the account. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Choose your country from the drop-down menu. Agree to the terms of service by checking the box provided. Once all fields are filled out, locate the Get Started button at the bottom of the form. Click the Get Started button to proceed. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and locate the email from Okta. Click on the confirmation link within the email. This will redirect you back to the Okta site. You may be prompted to log in using the credentials you just created. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In. After signing in, you will be taken to the Okta dashboard. From here, you can explore various resources and tools available for developers. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for an Okta Developer account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.